This is my 1972 Jeep Commando that I am rebuilding. Has a 304 big block V8, otherwise the 5.0 liter big block. It has, I think, optional 4-wheel drive. All original. I have the hood, the top comes off, it's all original. This is Lincoln, Montana, and it was bought in Kalispell, Montana. So that makes it really, really cool. Jeep. And this is a special edition Commando because it came with a V8, and it was probably the only V8 Commando sent to Kalispell, Montana, because it was built in like Idaho. I mean, not Idaho, but Ohio. And as you can tell, it was rebuilt, but when it was rebuilt, it had someone put something in it wrong, and like one of the bearings or something, and it slipped. So here I am taking it out now, and as you can tell, it has brand new valve train right there. And the only reason why that's knocking is because it's not tightened down all the way. The engine was torn apart again once it was blown, but they just threw it together nice and easy, because you can tell by the way those bolts are unscrewed. And I have all the engine parts too. I have the valve covers right there, all the bolts, the throttle body right there, hood's right there. It might even have oh yeah, it does have optional 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. That's neat. That's really neat, because you can see right down in there is the diff. Windshield has some cracks in it. It's been sitting here a while, but I just took everything off of it today. It was a whole motor, but I'm taking everything off of it slowly. So it'll be a really nice rebuild once I'm done with it. Move it here. Let me get some of this. There you go. So this is my 1972 Jeep that I'm rebuilding currently. This thing will look really bitchin' once I'm done with it. The whole thing was redone a couple years ago. But now since it's been sitting here, it's been collecting dust and junk, as you can tell. It's 4-speed on the floor with the reverse, and I think it has power steering. Air conditioning, well, it used to have a radio, but that's took now. Dash in it is immaculate. That's nice. And it only has 58,000. You can't really see that. There you go. Like 58,000 miles on it, which is really good for a Jeep. It's super low miles for a Jeep. I mean, yeah, there's no key. That's locked. So this, but I can always buy replacement everything of this. I've already looked online and get that new too, but it had to have the V8 symbol there. I think it was painted, probably tried to paint it chrome, it looked like, but they didn't end up finishing that. But everything on it's original. It even has original blinker things. It looks like it might have original radiator. This is original. The ignition coil. Wires and stuff I think were redone, but basically the entire engine's original. So stay tuned for more. I'll get back to you tomorrow on the rebuild of the 304 cubic inch big block V8 and 72 Jeep Commando. So thank you for watching this, and deuces.